This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Miele dishwasher that had the wrong type of detergent poured in and it's all bubbly and it won't progress. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to shut off the power. So turn off the power button. I'm going to turn the dial to the stop position and then I'll turn it back on by pressing the power button. I'll turn the switch to normal, which is just one of the cycles. And then when I press the start button, it should drain away all those bubbles. We can see the water draining away. So that works great. It's a good idea to pour in some vinegar, maybe a cup of vinegar, and let it sit for about 20 minutes before you do this. And that'll break apart all the bubbles and that'll fix the problem. But it's a common problem. Sometimes people by accident pour dishwashing soap in and it just bubbles up too much. So this is a good way to cure it. So thanks so much for watching and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance.